Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to export meals to Excel in MyFitnessPal. So to do that you need to download your data on the platform of MyFitnessPal, and you can't do that on your app because downloading your data is not available on the app. So what I want to do is to turn on your computer or your laptop and to open up your favorite browser on it, and also I want you to follow me step by step. So right here what we gotta do, we'll look for MyFitnessPal, and yeah, so I just wanted to go with that option. Just click on it, and right here as you can see you need to sign in to your account, the account that you have on your mobile phone. And right here as you can see I have three options right here: help, settings, and logout. So I want to go with settings. Alright, and right here you will have download your data. Because I'm not subscribed, I should be subscribed, because download your data option is available only to premium users. So I will complete the things with with you. So if you have if you are a premium user, you need to just click on that option, download your data it says, and then to choose the data range you want to export. So after that you just need to click on it and click download, and this will generate a CSV file, which you can open directly in Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or Apple Numbers. So you will be able to view your daily logged meals, foods, calories, macros, etc. So that's it. This is the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.